Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmed Muhammad Al-Jahni. Let's talk in today about what do you need to build PC gaming. Let's go.
وحش فضائي.
ايوه الو. الو. تمام اجيك بعد دقيقتين. تمام. يلا مع السلامة.
Yo!
About of gaming PC. Building in gaming PC from scratch is the only surefire way to ensure that your system is capable of satisfying all of your personal preferences. Selecting hardware that makes sense for both your project and your interests. Here is an overview of what you need. Case, CPU, process or CPU, RAM, storage, power supply, and finally CPU cooler. The first, graphics process unit GPU together with the CPU. The GPU has a direct effect on your gaming and is a must-have for anyone who wants to play graphics-heavy games. The second, central process unit CPU. This is a brand of your PC. It's responsible for performing instructions that are required for programs to run, syntaxes to all other components. A third, this is CPU colors are the perfect solution to exchange the heat from the system and ensure to drive the best experience with the PC performance. The fourth, this is motherboard. This motherboard, okay. The motherboard is the main circuit board and is connected to everything. The CPU sits directly on the motherboard. A fifth, RAM. RAM capacity is also not a very big deal for gaming in particular. But you will want 8 GB at minimum, and I recommend a 16 GB if you can afford it. A 6, storage. This is storage. SSD, okay? Is also an important construction, and we strongly recommend you use an SSD instead of a hard drive for your primary driver. 7, power supply. This is power supply. Okay. The power supply, you will definitely want a PSU that can support both your GPU. Outside of wattage, look for power supply with an 80 plus rating. 80 plus rating is a good sign that the unit uses high quality components. The final consideration to make when buying a PSU is the brand, because getting a high quality power supply is really important. 8 in the last. The case. There are 3 sizes: field tower, mid tower, and mini tower. Don't forget to prepare the right tools for assembling all the components. Example giving screwdriver kit, okay, um, zip ties like this, okay, and thermal paste, okay, like this, okay.